ولو عرفوا إنه أنا شرطي يعني وضعي أنا وياك راح يكون صعب.
Are you afraid? Why are you afraid? We shoot at the police too. It was our main goal.
كم عصابة موجودة في شيكاغو؟ شو أخطر العصابات فيها؟
Wow. The Lion Kings was the biggest and the most notorious. The GDs were number 2, Gangster Disciples, and then you had the Rukins, then you had the Vice Lords. I'm talking about biggest, more than 100,000 members, because they came out with a new law that's called the RICO law. If they know that you are a leader, they want to eliminate you. They want to take you off the street because you are a target. Not a target for gang members, target to the system, because the system don't want you on the street. They prefer convicting you and hitting you with the RICO law.
هل أمريكا بيها خصبة للعصابات وليش؟
The United States is a funny country. Everything is here. It all started with Al Capone in the 1930s. Nobody ever knew that.
إخوان، هذا البيت اللي وراي اللي هو بيت عصابة كابون. هاي من أكبر العصابات الإيطالية اللي كانت في شيكاغو.
هذا بيت الكابون، معروف بيحكوا له الكابون. كان مولود بحوالي 1900 تقريبا، فيعتبر هو من أكثر الناس إجرام بهذاك الوقت. هذا الشخص مارس حياته بأعمال، طبعا كان الكحول ممنوعة بهذيك الفترة، فكان يجيب كحول، يعمل كحول، يبيع. كان برضه يهرب أشياء وممنوعات ثانية. كان له قصص كثير وجرائم كثيرة، لكن الحكومة كان استصعب عليها انها تمسكه او تثبت عليه اي جريمه. بال 1931 حطوا عليه تهرب ضريبي، قدروا يمسكوه وانسجن وقضى بقيه حياته في السجن ومات بالسجن.
اي منطقه دائما بتشوف فيها العشب طويل، الشوارع شوي محفره، البيوت تقريبا مبنيه في الطوب البني هذا اللي انتم شايفينه، الطوب القديم، وبعض البيوت عليها تقريبا خشب. اعرفوا انه هاي نوعا ما المناطق نوعا ما خطيرة. بنشوفهم بيهتموا كثير في بيت كابوني رغم انه مهجور وما حدا بيقدر يقرب عليه. تلاقي حواليه زي ناس حراس، تلاقي يعني شفنا واحد قبل شوي قاعد استأذناه نصور، قال اتس اوكي، سحب حاله وطلع. المنطقة شوي مخيفة، فاحنا بنحاول نصور ونطلع على السريع.
ما بيحبوه لانه رمز للاجرام، وفي ناس اللي بيحبوا العنف بيعتبروه مثل وبيتابعوه. لغاية اليوم في محلات مسمية على اسمه تبع الهوت دوغ، وفي محلات ثانية برضو. إذا بتروح على ال هاي المحلات مأخوذة من الكابون.
بدي أقرب شوي على الباب وإن شاء الله تكون خطوة مش خطيرة. خلينا نوريكم كيف. يعني أنا حالياً عند بيت زعيم العصابة. طبعاً شوفوا هاي أثار للمخدرات اللي بيجوا يشربوها هون. ما بعرف هل في حدا، مش في حدا.
تعال ارجع، بلاش تجيب لنا المشكلة.
يعني شايفين في بريد، هذا الجرس تبعه.
شايف هذا محل ما هو
هاي المشهد العام من بيت كابوني. كير شوف المخالفات، بس تكون زي هيك مجموع مخالفات. شو بتكون هاي؟
بيكون تارك الباص السيارة ومهاجرها، يعني هذا قديم مغسل المخالفة، حتى لا اسم ولا إشي عليها.
العصابات هي مسيطرة سيطرة كلية على مناطقهم.
I could say during the 60s and 70s and 80s and early 90s, yes, everybody had a leader. Everything was controlled. The Crown Council, which the council carries 12 members of the council. Then you got the treasurer. That's the money you give every week. That's everybody has to pay dues. That money is used for sending money to brothers in prison or helping brothers get lawyers, because we had lawyers back in the days. You know, it was well kept. Now, it's not like that. Everybody's running wild.
طيب هل العصابات تتعرض لعامة الناس؟ ولو مناطقهم خطيرة، كيف ممكن أي شخص يتجنب تعرض لهم؟
We give respect to the neighbors, to the public. We will buy the paint. We will come and paint the neighborhoods. Now, like this wall right here, this area will be our wall, our mural, okay? Now, nobody will touch this wall, but all down that alley, we will paint it for free. We will take care of the businesses. We do not extort own the store or tell them that you got to pay us protection. We don't do that. That's against our laws. Other gangs, they come around, they break your stuff and they make you pay. We don't. We're not no Al Capones. That shit don't live with us. That's extortion. We don't do that.
هل هو بشعر بتعاطف مع أحد الناس اللي في يوم من الأيام قتلهم أو اعتدى عليهم؟
At the time, no. Because they shot at me. They shot at me first. I got shot here and here. So I retaliated. I made sure I put 3 holes in his head and I left him for dead. And I told the judge, I'll do it again.
هذا يا إخوان اللي هو شعار العصابة اللي دائما بيعملوه تاتو على ظهورهم زي وشم على أساس يميزوا أفراد العصابة.
It says Almighty Latin King Nation.
في هناك طرق للاستسلام أو الخروج من العصابة.
There's 2 ways to get out. You want to turn your life to God. They tell you, okay, you can go, but they're going to watch you. Because a lot of brothers use God as their scapegoat. When you turn 40, you go into the mummy stage. You are retired. You can do whatever you want. If you turn Christian and you go into church, brothers will leave you alone. But if you're using the Bible just to get away from doing things, then they're going to come looking for you. Then they're going to put you up on the wall and violate you. Give you what they call a 3-minute head to toe. They're going to beat your brains from the top to the bottom. You will be in, guarantee you will be in the hospital for months. Broken jaw, broken nose, everything. Broken ribs. They will put you in the hospital. So do the right thing and you walk freely.
The sign you guys do it with your hands. Can you do it like your sign, guys?
There's the crown. There's the 3-point crown. And then this means love you. This way, I die for you.
I die for you.
Yes. Most of the brothers that I grew up with, they always did the backhand because we always said we would die for each other. And we did. 3 of my boys got killed, saving my life for killing 3 brothers. He got hit because it was his job. He was supposed to be watching out. You know where the guns are at. You're security. There's 4 or 5 guns in different places where you can get to them, not us. We didn't pack that day. The leaders don't pack. Not when we're out here, you know, and we were hanging like in an area like this. So you're supposed to be on that corner at the light, another brother's supposed to be by the bridge, and another one's supposed to be on that corner, and another one on that corner. Well, the one on this corner was never there. And that's how they got in, because they could never get in. It was too hard for them to come and hit us, because you got to go through 3 gangs to get us.
العصابات لهم لبس معين، تحكينا عن لبس العصابات.
بس عندك العصابات كل عصابة بتميزوا في لون، يعني بتاخذوا بعض الألوان لهم كرمز عشان يعرفوا بعض إنه إحنا تابعين لهاي العصابة. فعندك مثلا هسه زي الكي شايف بيلبسوا الأسود والجولد والذهبي، يعني بيضلوا دائما طبعا بيلبسوا نفس اللون، بيكون مثلا خط أصفر أو يعني زي الذهبي هيك والأسود. عندك أنواع ثانية، عصابات ثانية، بلاك ديسايبل، جي ديز، هذولا بيلبسوا، في منهم بيلبس الأسود والأزرق. في عصابات كمان تختلف، في منهم بيلبس الزهري أو منهم اللي بيلبس اللون الأحمر زي مثلا البلاد والكريب في كاليفورنيا. بس كيف بتميزوا إنه تعرف إنه هذا بيلبس؟ تلاقيهم دائما بيلبسوا نفس اللون، يعني خلص باستمرار. يعني مثلا إذا أنت بتشوف ابنك دائما بيلبس نفس النظام، مثلا أصفر وأسود أو ملتزم بلون واحد، هذا لازم يكون في ريد فلاج إنه في إشي غلط. بس إنه الواحد يلبس أي لون عادي، يعني بتميزوا بالألوان، ممكن بيتفقوا على الأحذية، بيتفقوا على كذا، أو الطاقية بيكون عليها رمز معين أو لون معين أو طريقة معينة. نفس الإشي الإشارات بالإيد، أي إشارة يعملوها بتكون بتدل على إنه هو من ضمن هاي العصابة.
حياة السجون الأمريكية كيف شاف؟
When you come into prison, the first day you get there, they're going to fingerprint you. They're going to take a picture of you with your number. You're going to have a number. Okay, there's always a brother that works there. He's going to see who you are. When he's seen the crown on my back, he flagged. He sent word inside, hey, we got a new brother just came in. So when he found out who I was, so then that got word to the big man. When I go in there, the first day you get there, you get to represent. Bam, bam, to all the brothers, let them know who you are. The next day is what they call, you're on hold. Your crown is on hold. Now we're gonna do an investigation, 30 days investigation. We're gonna call the streets, find out if you got any charges in the street, if you did anything bogus to the brothers on the street, or if you're hot by the brothers. You know, you burn somebody out of money, or you shot at a brother, or you had a fight with a brother, or you beat up your wife. They're gonna find out what section you from, what chapter. They're gonna call the street, they're gonna go find out. Let's say I say, no, that brother, he's good to go. The famous word is called all is well. They will take that brother outside to the yard and they will do what they call a cipher. The brother is gonna come up to you, the enforcer is gonna shake your hand and tell you, my brother, you're good to go, throw up the crown. Then all the brothers are gonna come and shake your hand. If you got a bogus charge out there and you were supposed to get violated, you got a choice. Take the violation or you can go to PC, protect the custody. If you go to protect the custody, you're finished. You'll never be a king no more. Your crown automatic be revoked because protect the custody is for punks, for people that are scared.
هل عمره سمع في عصابات عربية؟
There was a gang that they were called the Moes. They were Muslim brothers. They were Syrians. They were Syrian brothers. They were called Moes because Sam was a Syrian. He was from Syria. And he had a couple brothers over there, a couple of Syrian brothers, some from Jordan, some from Iran. I remember there was one brother that was from Iraq. We used to call him Gaddafi. Yeah, we named him Gaddafi. He was a good brother.
عندهم كونكشن انهم يوصل لاي حدا في الولايات الثانيه، يعني هل عصابتهم لها فروع في ولايات ثانيه؟
Yes. We have,
San Francisco.
okay, I'm gonna name you 5 tribes, okay? Chicago is known as the Lion Tribe. This is the Lion Tribe. This is the main one. This is what they call the motherland. New York is called the Tiger Tribe. Florida is called the Panther Tribe, the Black Cat. Everything that runs in New York will be Philadelphia, Boston, Massachusetts, New Jersey. All that area there runs under the Tiger Tribe, okay? Chicago, it's Indiana, Ohio, every 5 states around Illinois is called the Lion Tribe. Every 5 states in Florida, the South, which it'll be the Panther. Then you got the Cheetah Tribe, which is California, San Francisco, Dallas. But everything stays the same. There's only one main thing, a 4-letter word, Almighty Latin King Nation. That's it. I always told my boys, if you join a gang, I will be your first enemy. I'm coming for your ass. Because I brought you in this world, I'll take you out this world. There's only 2 ways. Prison or the graveyard. That's all it is. Thank God I'm still walking. Thank him.
يعني الحمد لله تمت الأمور بسلام. صورنا لكم معظم تفاصيل العصابات وخاصة في شيكاغو. يعني الحمد لله شكرا لبكر اللي ساعدنا في هاي المهمة، وكان تقريبا مأمن لنا شبه حماية ممتازة وتقريبا تفاصيل وأمور. كنا يعني خضنا المهمة بذكاء عالي وبطريقة احترافية. في كثير ناس ساعدونا فبنشكرهم جميعا. وهون تقريبا انتهت حلقتنا لليوم، فلا تنسوا تدعمونا بالسبسكرايب عشان نوصل ل 200,000 سبسكرايبر قريبا إن شاء الله بدعمكم المتواصل. وكمان لا تنسوا تضيفونا على انستغرام. الانستغرام مهم جدا، بنزل عليه يومياتي على اساس تشوفوا التفاعل، وكثير بتناقش مع الموجودين عندي على الانستغرام، فدائما ضيفونا على الانستغرام. ومن هون خلصت حلقتنا، فشو بنحكي يا بكر؟ سلام.